Hello and welcome to Delightful, Delicious, Delovely. Today I am going to be making, I'm in the process of making a vegan and keto sausage and spinach stew with kale. What I did was I bought 2 packages of Beyond Meat's vegan sausage, and then on the stove over there, I heated them up, took the skins off of them, and then I broke them all up with a potato masher and sauteed them until they were crusty and dry and cooked most of the fat out of them. And then in this pot here for the last 5 or 6 minutes, I have been sauteing. This is 1 large onion diced, 2 red bell peppers diced, 8 celery stalks diced, and 2 easy for me to say, poblano chilies chopped. So that's what's in here. I just wanted these guys to be tender, and now they are. The last couple of videos I've been doing them sort of like morning news, local news style, where everything's already prepped and you're not watching me do much except really assemble it. And that, I think, is helpful for people who don't. I just sometimes just get to the fucking point. Just make the goddamn thing. I don't need your chatter. I don't need your fucking rambling. Just make the goddamn food. So in there, again, I have 1 onion, 2 red bell peppers, 2 poblano peppers, 8 celery stalks. To this, I'm going to add, this is 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. This is 2 teaspoons of dry basil. This is 1 teaspoon dry oregano. This is 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper and 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary I chopped from my garden. So fresh rosemary and crushed red pepper, a teaspoon of each. That is the spice load. Alrighty. To this, I'm adding, this is 1 head of kale. This is like this, I think it's called Lucinto kale. That is what that is. Chopped, the hard vein down the spine of it removed and chopped up. Alright, I'm going to add, I'm going to add 10 cups of vegan stock. This is vegan, better than bouillon, vegan chicken stock. I think I'm going to go, that was 4 cups, I'm definitely going to go at least 8. Let's see if I need 10. I had new headshots shot this week. I'm going to stay with that. That's 8 cups of stock. I'm going to stay with that until it cooks down, until the kale is soft. I'm going to grab the sausage and add that too. Hang on one sec. Sausage. So this is 8 Beyond Meat sausages. In there. I'm going to put this back on the stove. Alright. Alright. And except for seasoning with salt and pepper, that's basically it. I'm going to simmer this until the kale is soft and tender and the other vegetables are completely cooked through. And once I've seasoned it with salt and pepper, I will then, when it's time to serve it, I'm going to put a handful of fresh raw spinach in each bowl and then pour the hot soup over it, and then you stir it up and the hot soup will wilt the fresh spinach. So the spinach doesn't get too soggy and nasty. And that's it. That's really it. Soups are the easiest thing in the world. These are keto. Like I said, my friend Naomi Priestley is adamantly keto these days, and I'm feeding her and a bunch of other people later, and so I had to come up with something keto. Keto and vegan don't have a great deal of overlap. Thank God this vegan sausage is as good as it is and easily available. So I'll be able to satisfy these meat eaters that are keto meat. Keto just, I don't know, it just doesn't seem like the healthiest thing on earth. Literally I was like looking for things to make. I was Googling just keto. And this like cheeseburger soup and Big Mac soup. Really? I don't know. There's another diet, I forget what it's called, Atkins maybe? One of those diets where you just ate like fucking cheese and eggs and meat, all protein and fat. And it everybody lost a bunch of weight, and then they had a piece of bread, and they blew up and gained 75 pounds. So I don't know how practical it is really to do this. But they're doing it. She's doing it. I'm trying to respect it. They respect that I'm feeding them vegan. I'm trying to respect that I have to feed her keto. So, and that is it. I would test it. I would taste it before you add salt because the stock is salty, and a little pepper. And yeah, that is that. Again, serve it. You also might want to tear a little bit of fresh basil, a little fresh basil on top as garnish would be lovely too. And that is that. Please subscribe. Please share these recipes with your friends, vegan and otherwise. Again, this channel is really geared to people who are not already vegan. I got in a fight with some vegans about the Just Egg because they were mad that it had been tested on rats at some point to get FDA approval. I was told, they said you don't need FDA approval, then another person said, no, in fact, you really do. It's bullshit. One blogger somewhere said you don't need that approval, and every militant vegan on earth has clung to that as truth. I don't know what's fucking true. All I know is the Just Egg ingredients are vegan, and in my book, that makes it vegan. But they were like, yeah, no, that product won't save a single chicken, or, vegans eating that product won't save anybody. Like, vegans eating Beyond Sausage doesn't save any pigs. That's true because they already aren't fucking eating pigs. I'm trying to get people who are eating pigs to stop eating pigs, not people who don't eat them to, whatever. It must be really difficult to be the center of the universe and have everything in the world that happens have some direct, connection to you. That said, this looks beautiful. And, yeah, I'm sure that my guests will enjoy it. And that is that. Now I truly am rambling. I've defeated the whole purpose of making this quickly by fucking chatting up like a doofball. Alright, that's it. Thanks again. Until next time. Bye. Did I say I had headshots? Here's a few headshots ahead. I had headshots this week. Here's a couple of them. Alright, bye.